In this video, we can talk about top 5 content at scale alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives Code channel. Today, we have an absolute treat for you. If you're on the lookout for powerful content creation tools to help you scale your writing efforts, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll introduce you to the top 5 alternatives to content at scale, which are Writersonic, Jasper, ProWritingAid, Simplified, and Peasy. So let's explore these alternatives to help revolutionize the way you create and manage your content. Our first alternative is Writersonic. Writersonic is a powerful AI writing assistant that uses advanced language models to generate high-quality content with just a few clicks. It offers exclusive features like text expander, article summarizer, product description, and SEO's integration. With its intuitive interface and versatile capabilities, Writersonic is a must-have for any content creator. Also, it comes with one of the standout features, which is its ability to generate engaging and persuasive copy effortlessly. Next up, we have Jasper AI. Jasper is a cutting-edge content optimization platform that leverages AI-driven insights to help you improve your content's performance and maximize its impact. It offers key features like Chrome extension, SEO's optimized content, brand voice and memory, and real-time updates. Whether you need assistance with blog posts, social media content, or even writing code snippets, Jasper has got you covered. And not to forget, it comes with one of the standout features, which is to generate data-driven suggestions to boost content visibility. Now let's talk about ProWritingAid. ProWritingAid is a comprehensive writing analysis tool that ensures the consistency and readability of your content. It offers features like data visualization, contextual guidance, grammar check, and plagiarism detection. Whether you're a professional writer or a student who wants to improve your writing, ProWritingAid can be an invaluable tool. One of the standout features of ProWritingAid is its ability to offer detailed insights to enhance your writing style. Moving on, we have Simplified. Simplified is a content creation platform designed to streamline your workflow and help you to plan, create, and collaborate on content seamlessly. It offers features like AI writing capabilities, blog templates, and quick content generation. It provides an intuitive interface, content calendar management, and powerful collaboration tools. And one of the standout features of Simplified is its ability to enable seamless collaboration and content planning. Last but not least, let's explore Peasy. Peasy is one of the most user-friendly content distribution platforms that simplifies the process of sharing your content across multiple channels, from social media to email campaigns. It offers features like customizable templates, editing assistance, grammar check, and sentence check. With its automation features and scheduling capabilities, you can reach your audience effectively and save valuable time. One of the standout features of Peasy is to streamline content distribution across various channels. When compared to content at scale, Writersonic excels at providing engaging and persuasive copy with minimal effort and generates SEO-friendly product descriptions in over 25 languages. Then comes Jasper, which provides valuable data-driven suggestions to enhance your content's performance. ProWritingAid, on the other hand, provides valuable writing analysis to ensure consistency and originality of your content. Simplified comes with templates like blog ideas, outlines, introductions, and section completers to help you effortlessly create engaging written content. Lastly, you have Peasy, which primarily focuses on efficient content distribution capabilities across various channels and supports over 35 languages. Considering the alternatives mentioned, if you're seeking an all-in-one solution that combines powerful AI content generation with advanced writing assistance, we would recommend Writersonic as the best option for your writing and content generation needs. With its advanced AI capabilities, Writersonic can generate high-quality content tailored to your specific requirements. We hope this in-depth exploration of alternatives has helped you find the perfect solution for your content generation needs. Please remember to consider your specific requirements and preferences when making your decision. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.